I was really interested in this countertop ice maker, but how much ice would it really make? How long would it take? And how much of a pain would it be to clean it? Well, sometimes technology shocks you because I literally poured this water in, and in less than an hour, I had a whole tray full of ice, and my first ice cubes came out in about 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Super compact design for a busy household. It had a viewing window so I could see where it was in the process, even a light I could turn on. And the best part, you don't have to clean it. It has a self-cleaning option with one button. Once I poured the water in the reservoir and turned the machine on, I then selected the small cube size, made a snack, came back over, and within 5 minutes and 45 seconds, I already had my first 8 ice cubes. Cleaned, folded laundry, came back to check within 1 hour, and it was full. Small ice cubes about the diameter of my thumb, approximately 1 inch long. They do have a hollow center and a rounded edge. And when I started, my 2-gallon pitcher was approximately 1/3 full. When I poured the ice back in, it filled it back up approximately 1/3 full too. And there was a little bit of water left in the reservoir, so I think if I'd let it keep going, it would have made plenty more ice. And self-cleaning, easiest thing ever. Long hold the on and off button, you'll see the lights begin to blink. That's when it indicates that the self-cleaning begins. It runs the water through the machine for you. You literally have to do nothing. And then when you're ready to drain the machine, there is a drain on the bottom. You can just take it to any available area like the sink, pull the plug out, and it's good to go. So does it work? Yes. It solves the problem of slow freezer ice, constantly refilling trays. It's just a 1-button operation, automatic self-cleaning. It makes ice so you don't have to. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.